Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will learn about the operations on sets. First we will get to know about the subsets and what are subsets and how to find the subsets. Subset A is a subset of B if it contains all the elements of A. We can say A is 1, 2, 3. These are the elements of A, and B's elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We need to check that whether A's all elements are present in B1. If yes, so we can say that A is subset of B. This one is the symbol which is used to write down the subset. B. And now check B. B is having consisting of all the elements of A, that are 1, 2 and 3. So we can say B is superset of A. How to find the subset? Write the subsets of A is equal to A, B and C. This one is our question. Short formula or short tip you can see to check the answers. 2n. N means number of elements. How many number of elements are in question? 1, 2 and 3. So power will be 3. So 2 cube you will find out 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So in answer we should have 8 sets. So first one is empty set. In every set there is empty set. First you will write all the elements separately, A, B and C. Then you will pair up A with B, B with C and C with A. And third one, all elements in one curly bracket. First operation on sets is complement of a set. If U is a universal set and A is a subset of U, universal set means a set which contains or consisting of all the elements of other sets and is subset of other set. Then the complement of A is the set of those elements of U. We can denote it by A complement or AC. Example. If A is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8 and U is 1, 2, 3, commas, dots and 10. There is no number, it means these numbers continue till 10. We need to check the sequence, the numbers gap. It means there is only one number gap. So after 3 what come? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. A complement is equal to U minus A. It means from U, you will subtract A1. A's element are 2, 4, 6 and 8. So what will left? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10. Second operation is difference of sets. Difference means subtraction. Difference is equal to A minus B. It can be of any set letter like X and Y. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and B is equal to 2, 4, 5, 6 and 8. So from A we need to subtract B. So what elements will left? 1 and 3. So in other way we can find out B minus A. B minus A means first we will write down the set of B and then subtraction sign and then A set. What will left? 6 and 8. Third operation is union of sets. Union means two sets A and B consisting of all the elements which are either in A or in B, combined collection, written as union A union B. Example, if A is equal to A, B, C and D and B is equal to C, D, E and F. A union B first write down, first A set, union symbol, then B set and combine all the elements. So answer is A, B, C, D, E, F. Intersection of sets. The intersection of the sets consisting of all the common elements of A and B. Symbol is used, this one. How to find the intersection? A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6 and 7. So A intersection B, 1, 2, 3, 4, intersection sign B and then 4, 5, 6, 7, then 4 is the answer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps to understand the operations on sets.